Hello everyone. Hi. This is the bill delete system. As you know that in a previous video, I showed you a KOT delete, then how to delete the KOT and the single and multiple. Now I want to show you that how can we delete a bill. Suppose I just make a bill for table number 5. Remember this, I am making a KOT to generate the bill item number 63, item number 54. Now I am saving this KOT, print no, table number 5. I am making the bill number 5 for table, generate bill, yes, print no. Now I want to delete this bill, that is the last bill number 14. I just select it and click on action KOT bill, delete selected bill. When you will delete this bill, all the KOT for this table number 5 and bill number 14 will be automatically deleted. Okay, now I want to delete the one or two bills at a single time. Action KOT bill, delete selected bill. This is the simple way to delete multiple bill or a single bill. Now this is the KOT screen module. If you are logged in a token bill F6, item number 6, item number 5, item number 4, save, yes, print no. There are two methods. Simply select and right click and delete selected bill, okay, or action counter bill, delete selected bill. Otherwise, select over the mouse on anyone and do right click and edit bill. You can delete this bill, or suppose you want to edit the item number 6, a quantity or code, item number 19 to quantity, or delete the number 5. Select the item and press the delete button from keyboard. Okay, now confirm this and save, print no. This is bill number 14. The previous amount is 240, the now updated amount is 440. And the second thing is view sale report, sales register. You can cancel it. Suppose the bill number 14 you can cancel. Remember, this bill number 40 is not deleted, it's only as a marked cancel. The bill number 14 is still in record in a cancel position. You can recall it, recall. Okay, exit. Another process, you can see the tool menu. This is the option. When you will press on a blank area button control plus F9, I just press the control plus F9. Now you can see the new option, delete, reassessment and renumbering. Click on delete, delete all entries, click on date wise and you just select the date. So all data will be deleted for particular this date. If having a range like the bill number 10 to 15, so all 10 to 15 number will be deleted. Otherwise, when you select the date, put the date, and bill amount 500 to 1000. So all bill will be deleted for 500 to 1000's value. Okay, so this is the simple way. Okay, thank you.